Hey, I'm Caleb with Wolff Industries. We're continuing our series on the Twice as Sharp today with a short video on how to sharpen a pair of scissors with the Twice as Sharp. So stick around. We are using the industrial Twice as Sharp today, and we will be sharpening one of our Wolff Ergonomics 6000 series industrial shears. This is a 9-inch straight trimmer. First, we want to check for nicks and damage. Usually you can see the damage and dull edge catch the light and appear shiny. Using the pink hone that is included with your machine, lay the hone flat on the inside of the blade and slide from pivot to tip. Repeat this step until the hone slides smooth and you don't feel it catching on the nicks. The next step is to find the angle of the scissors you are sharpening. You can refer to the operator's manual for more information. We also did a video on finding angles and clamping the scissors. I'll put a link here and in the description below. Once you know your angle, set it accordingly on the clamp. This Wolff Ergonomics shear is 35 degrees. Insert the clamp in the sharpening position where it says Sharpen on the top of the clamp and clamp your scissors securely. Once again, reference our video on angles and clamping scissors for more info. Power on the machine and slide the blade slowly with light, even pressure from pivot to tip. Keep your blade as flat as possible against the face of the wheel and not on the sides. Don't let the tip pass by the edge. Release pressure when the tip is halfway across the face of the wheel. This will help prevent rounding the tips off. Repeat this motion until an even burr is formed and felt along the entire edge. Be careful not to over sharpen. If you feel the burr, you have a new edge. Release the shear and clamp the opposite blade. Be sure to not close the scissors during this step. Then sharpen the blade until a burr is formed. Once you can feel a burr down the entire edge, release the scissors. Okay, this step is important. Don't close the scissors. We have a burr formed on both blades, and if we close the scissors, we will damage the new edge that we just created. To remove the burr, hold the scissors by the handle and using your thumb, spread the blades apart as you close the shear so that the edges do not touch. Now firmly pinch the blades together as you open the scissors. This will pull the burr back. Repeat the spread to close, pinch to open process 3 to 4 times. Now you should be able to open and close the shear naturally without any of that crunch feeling. Crunch is bad, we don't like crunch. Failure to remove the burr can cause damage to your freshly sharpened blade. So now your scissors have been sharpened and de-burred, so we need to hone them. Clamp the scissors in the sharpened position and flip the clamp over to the honed position. Hone right should be at the top of the clamp. Slide your scissors against the honing wheel from pivot to tip using slightly more pressure than you did to sharpen. This time, slide the blade from pivot to tip and back and forth until you can feel a light burr. Remove the scissors and cut slowly to remove the burr. This part is extremely important. Now repeat this process for the opposite blade. Hone until a light burr is formed, remove the shear, and cut off the burr. Remember, for a sharpening burr, sharpen both blades, spread to close, pinch to open. And for a honing burr, hone one blade and cut the burr off. Hone the other blade and cut the burr off. To finish, put a drop of lubricant on the pivot and down the blade and wipe off the excess. Well, there you go. That's how to sharpen a 9-inch industrial shear on the Twice as Sharp scissors sharpener. The step that's most often skipped is feeling for the burr and then properly de-burring, and that may be the most important step of the whole process. I always tell people that the burr is money. If you feel the burr, you have a new edge. And if you de-burr properly, then you have a sharp pair of scissors. We still have a few more videos in this Twice as Sharp series, like testing to make sure your scissors are sharp, reconditioning and balancing shears, and machine and scissors maintenance. So be sure to hit the subscribe button and click that little bell icon so you don't miss out when those get posted. And lastly, check out our website for more information on the Twice as Sharp and our Wolff Ergonomics 6000 series industrial shears. If you have any questions, be sure to give us a call, shoot us an email, or comment below and we'll get back to you. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.